is a video for the off-grid trailer guy on YouTube. I keep forgetting what that channel name is, but you'll see in one of my videos I had that water transfer system for getting water out of a pond with a 12-volt pump. These are the pumps over here at Harbor Freight, and basically they've got one which is like a little more heavy duty than the other. You barely tell the difference, but we pull it out and we look at the plugs. One just has those battery cable clamps, and that's just fine, and that'll push water through a regular hose outlet just fine. They're not very expensive, and of course if you can get the 20% coupons, it's even less than that. So that's what I recommend for moving water out of that pond, and then you can see some rest of the stuff in the video. But if you wanted to see how it looks in a box at the store, this is the one. And then what I'm going to try to do is make my other video a response video to this one, so that you can see the pump in action. But they're dirt simple. You can take some clippers to those wires, put a different type of plug or a switch mechanism in there. But it's easy just to leave the whole thing in some sort of a little kit or bag with your water transfer stuff and a couple of inexpensive garden hoses, and that's that. If somebody out there wants to make a donation to the guy, I guess you get his address, you could have one of these sent there with a couple of short or cut off garden hoses. Although I found the suction on this won't pull a full 50 feet or 35 feet, but it will push the water that far. It just won't pull water that far. But it will pull the water a good 10 or 15 feet, which is enough to get the water, let's say, from the middle of the stream, where supposedly it's faster moving, cleaner water, to the edge, where you'd have your water container. And then, of course, you could use the same pump for transferring it from your water container to the RV storage, because all these connectors are just standard hose stuff, although you may need some like female to female or male to male connectors to get everything to go the way you want it to.